The last 30 years has been almost a revolution in terms of the management of inflammatory bowel diseases. Unfortunately, 3 decades ago, patients were managed with steroids, which can be very difficult for patients to tolerate, that can treat inflammation but have a lot of long-standing side effects, and surgery. And people would end up with, a lot of surgical management of their disease. And then came about really the ability to target inflammation and inflammation pathways more specifically. And through the arena of drug development, we now have multiple classes of medications that can now control that inflammation and really help those patients. And so I would say starting 2-3 decades ago, clinical trials became important because that was the arena that we could really improve the lives of our patients by really allowing them to get access to medications that had less side effects to help them to avoid surgeries. From the start, with my interest in inflammatory bowel disease, I finished training just after many of the biologics were first under study. And so being able to participate in clinical trials for other biologic medications to help in the management of Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis really was needed. Unfortunately, even though these medicines are effective, there's still up to 50% of patients that don't respond. And so we needed to have other avenues to treat those patients. And that's where clinical trials come in, where a patient may be intolerant to the standard therapy on the market. They may have had side effects. Those patients need an alternate medication. Or, unfortunately, those patients may not have been able to afford the standard medications, and their clinical trials can come in and be another avenue for treatment. Without clinical trials, we'd still be in the arena of requiring multiple surgeries to manage this disease, and instead we're in an arena of a new hope that we're really moving the bar and really trying to act earlier and be able to treat this inflammation to help to avoid those complications. It's just an exciting time to be a part of IBD management, and it's an exciting time to really see the impact of these newer therapies on our patients' lives.